Question 21. In the context of the ancient India, consider the following statements. 1. Anguttar Nikaya, a Buddhist text, mentions the Mahajanabdas. 2. The rise of Mahajanabdas coincided with the disappearance of the Pali texts. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 22. With reference to the Rig-Vedic society, consider the following statements. 1. Janpada term occurs in the Rig Veda several times. 2. Family, Griha, was the main social unit within the tribes and family headed by women called Saptani. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 23. During the Rig-Vedic period, Langla and Sura terms refers to which of the following? A. Widow women. B. Artisans. C. Private property in land. D. Plough. Question 24. Consider the following statements regarding to Rig-Vedic period. 1. Cattle rearing was an important economic activity for the Aryans. 2. Copper metallurgy technology was so developed in this period. 3. At the time of Rig Veda, mainly cows and women donated to the priest, not land. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1 and 3. Q.25. During the Rig-Vedic period, Gopa term refers to the A. Chief of tribes. B. Chief of army. C. Chariots maker. D. Chief of cattles. Question 26. In the context of ancient history of India, consider the following statements. 1. Barter system was the mode of exchange at the time of Rig Veda. 2. The polity of the Rig-Vedic period was tribal in character. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 27. Consider the following statements. 1. Iron was used in the later Vedic period for conversion of the forest of the Ganga Valley into agricultural lands. 2. The foundation for the town must have emerged during the later Vedic period. 3. Surplus agricultural production at the later Vedic period helped in cultural development. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 3 only. B. 1, 2 and 3. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 28. Which of the following taxes were imposed at the time of Mahajanabdas? 1. Bali. 2. Bhaga. 3. Kara. 4. Shulka. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Q.29. Which of the following were the features of the 16 Mahajanabdas? 1. Some of the Mahajanabdas were monarchies and ruled by kings. 2. Some Mahajanpadas acquired incipient armies and maintained regular bureaucracies. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2.